Yes, Financial Express headline of today. Look at it. This is the newspaper. I'll read out each news for you. I hope this news will bring some opportunity for you. So the first news here is positive global cues. Benchmark scale new lifetime highs. Sensex and Nifty achieved new lifetime highs. Sensex vaulted 958 points to scale a fresh lifetime high on Thursday, propelled by across the board buying amidst positive trend in global equity despite hawkish comments from the US Fed. Robust gains in the rupee further created positive sentiment, right? This is something very good. ये बहुत अच्छी बात है आपके लिए. If Sensex is rising, it means it's positive news. They are expecting a positive sentiment, right? So this is something that you must cheer about. Next news, Google moves High Court against CCI after confidential report leak. Okay. Another news, Snoopgate. Supreme Court says will form technical panel to probe Pegasus probe. Pegasus is a spying company. So this is about it. On Thursday, the Supreme Court said that it intends to set up a technical committee next week to probe the allegations of snooping on citizens. Okay. Next, power play. All states on board DISCOM revival plan. DISCOM is, these electricity distribution companies, these are called DISCOMs. All of them are mismanaged. All of them suffer heavy losses. You know why they suffer losses? Because they are really mismanaged. And the government sector will continue to be mismanaged. The burden will be borne by people like you. You know what is happening? These DISCOMs, they are not able to catch. Lot of people are stealing electricity without any bill, without any connection. They are stealing away electricity. And therefore, these DISCOMs are suffering huge losses. They also know, but they are not bold enough. They don't have good officers. They are not bold enough, and that's why they are suffering losses. China preparing for Evergrande's downfall. This is another news. There is a company called Evergrande. It's a Chinese company. It's a real estate company. It is going on downfall. It may become bankrupt. We do not know. Chinese authorities are asking local governments to prepare for the potential downfall of debt-ridden China Evergrande Group. The Wall Street Journal reported on Thursday, citing officials familiar with the discussions. The move has been characterized as getting ready for the possible storm by the officials. The officials said local level government agencies and state-owned enterprises have been instructed to step in only at the last minute should Evergrande fail to manage its affairs in an orderly fashion. Evergrande is a huge company and it may fall. Now let us look at other pages. Page number 2, Finance Minister may seek rating upgrade from Moody. And on opinion page, editorial page, this right, IBM, etc. hit pause on facial recognition, but others won't sit still. Then curriculum panel must create space for Indian knowledge systems without pushing ideology. Then another news is My Push. EV push more scooters, bikes, and cars in coming quarters. Ola CEO. Ola's Bhavish is your age, very young person. And that's why he is very innovative, very dynamic, truly entrepreneurial. That's why I said I have a lot of hopes from you. So we keep on hoping, and all these news that we just tried to read were just giving positive signals. Future is yours. Get ready, be prepared, and storm the world. You have to come forward. You have to speak to this world. You have to question the world. You have to create the right path for this world. And all positive signals are for you. The world which has been rejecting Indians will have to accept Indians now. And therefore, yes, you have to revive back your old glory. You have to revive Sone Ki Chidiya. You have to boldly and confidently speak out the truth. You have a very important role to play in the future, and you will be heading the corporate world of tomorrow. So be prepared for your new challenges. Be prepared for the new difficulties. Well, obviously, if you are trying to steer, if you are trying to lead a large company, you will be facing very tough times ahead. Best wishes to you, and I wish all of you should become the CEOs at the earliest in the future. All of you will have to work very hard and try to create the world that you want to live in.